Hello and welcome to Ideta's Chatbot Builder platform. Let's start with how your projects are organized. When you first log in, you will see your workspace. In this workspace, you can see the list of all your bots. To change permissions, click on the gear icon. Here, you can add a workspace member and assign permissions to them. In this other area, you can add bot members and assign permissions for specific bots. Permissions are like roles, and these include admin, contributor, and support. Simply click on the role you want to assign. Now, with that done, let's take a look at how to create a bot. Simply click on Create a new bot, type in a name, select a communication channel now, or you can do this later if you prefer, then select a template or an empty bot. We have many different templates that cover a wide range of use cases. Feel free to choose one that fits you and tailor it to your own style. We'll start with an empty one as an example. Let's go. After you create your bot, you'll see the map section. Since there is nothing yet, let's go to the editor instead. In this area, you can click to modify bubbles or actions. So let's click on the text zone and change the message. Let's ask for the user's name. We will also need to collect this conversation in order to reuse it in the conversation. So simply click on user say something and select the store input option. Let's use the predefined data key named first name. Now, we need to link a bubble so that the conversation can continue. Let's make a new one called welcome. You can create a new category at the same time. Here, we have many different types of bubbles like text, quick replies, media, button, carousel, list, stripe, comparisons, operations, Zapier, and API. Let's choose the quick replies type for this one. Now, in this new bubble, the same concept applies. Simply click to edit an element. How about we call the user by his name? Just click on data key and select first name. Using the text editor, you can change it to bold, italic, add emojis, change the font, change the color and text size. Let's add a smiley to make our message more welcoming. Once you have filled in your bot with more bubbles, it will start to look like this. In the mapping area, you can click and drag boxes so you can better rearrange the conversation visualization. You can click to view different parts, zoom in and zoom out. You also have buttons on the side to rotate the conversation. Moving on to the AI component, in the settings area, you can connect to an NLP provider like Dialogflow. Once connected, you can go to the AI section to add intents and entities. Let's say you sell fruits. There are 3 steps to follow. So first, let's add an intent called buying fruits. Now let's add some examples, like I want to buy an apple, I want to buy apples, and buy bananas. Second step. Now, how about we add some entities? Let's name it fruits. We'll call an entity apple and add apple and apples as synonyms. Add another entity named banana with banana and bananas as synonyms. For the third step, we'll head back to our intents, click on them, and highlight the word you want to tag as an entity. That's it. Don't forget to hit that update button too. After adding content to your bot, you'll want to personalize its design. To do this, let's head over to the Publish section. Under Design Personalization, you can choose colors that already exist, or add one that you prefer. In the drop-down menu, you can choose different elements you want to edit. Simply click on an element, and the design option will appear on the right-hand side. All elements of your chatbot can be personalized. Next up, we can change how we manage user behavior too. Some options include authorizing interactions with previous buttons, changing the delay between bubbles, displaying the typing indicator, and vocal options. Now, we still need to test the chatbot to see if it works. Let's take a look at the test section. Here, you can check if everything is working properly before you deploy your chatbot. Only you can see this testing area. To finish off, let's have a look at more advanced steps. Here, we have an API bubble. There are get, post, put, patch, and delete options. You can also select a body format and a timeout delay. Under integrations, we have included Stripe, Zapier, Google Sheets, and HubSpot. That's it. We've covered the basics of Ideta's platform. Drop us an email at contact@ideta.io if you'd like to speak to one of our experts.